How to fix give or take control not working in Teams. So here I am in the Microsoft Teams application. So from here, if you create an instant meeting, so let's say I create a meeting right here and then click join. Here, when you are inside of a meeting, you should be able to share a screen. So let's say I share a screen right here. Let's say I share my browser right here. You should be able to see like there is a give control option right here, especially when you have people inside of the meeting. So when you give control, they can be able to control your screen and then, for example, type in Microsoft Word, type in Microsoft Excel and edit like any screen that you're using, just like as they are using your own desktop. So if you cannot see like the give or take control like option right here at the top, we can go ahead and ensure the hardware acceleration of your desktop is turned on. So here you can see this, there is an official documentation by Microsoft that when give control doesn't work when you share screen in Teams, the cause is usually that your GPU hardware acceleration is disabled. So you need to enable that in your browser if you're using browser, and you also need to enable that in your desktop. So for example, if you're using the browser, just go to this location right here. And then there should be able to see that hardware acceleration is turned on. So if it's not turned on, you can go right here to settings and then search for hardware or acceleration right here. Make sure graphics acceleration is turned on. And then for your desktop, go here to settings. To your graphics settings, make sure hardware accelerated GPU scheduling is turned on as well. Now that it's turned on, you should now be able to use give or take control in your Microsoft Teams. And if it's still not working, now you can try to repair Microsoft Teams. So let me close this one and then close Microsoft Teams. And then from here, you can just simply go to the control panel. And then here in the control panel, you can go to programs and features. And then from here, type in Microsoft. From here, you will see this Microsoft 365 or Microsoft 365 apps for business. So this depends on if you're using a business account or a normal Microsoft account. So just choose what you're using, click change, click yes. From here, you have two options. You have the quick repair and then you have the online repair. So I suggest quick repair first because this will fix most issues quickly without an internet connection. Then you can use online repair as this will fix all issues but will take a little longer and requires an internet connection. So I suggest using quick repair first, and then if it's still not working, use online repair. So just choose the option, click repair, and then keep in mind after you click repair, it will take like a couple of minutes for it to finish. So you just need to wait for it and then open Microsoft Teams again and your problem should now be fixed. And then that is it. So I hope you learn how to do it and thank you for watching.